Become a paid mystery shopper. If you enjoy shopping, then what better way to earn money than getting paid to shop? Has anyone ever told you that, dude, there's a concept in which you can earn real money by simply just mystery shopping? Well, if no one has ever told you this, then here we are. So today we're going to tell you all about mystery shopping jobs in which you can earn real money by simply shopping. Many of you are probably thinking it's too good to be true. Is getting paid to shop really all there is to it? Isn't that a perfect world? Don't worry, if you want to earn some good money, then watch this video carefully till the end, because if you skip the important part, then you skip the money. Are you ready to discover how to get paid to shop? Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. Alright, that being said, let's dive right into the video. If you've never heard of mystery shopping before, you might be surprised to learn that you can earn money while shopping. Being a mystery shopper is a terrific method to supplement your income. The best thing is that you'll acquire a bunch of free stuff on someone else's dime in the process. The difficulty with becoming a mystery shopper is actually finding consistent work. Many companies make strong promises about the work they do and the money their shoppers make, but be aware that not all mystery shopping firms are made equal. So how much money do mystery shoppers bring in? The average mystery shopper earns around $20 per hour, according to ZipRecruiter data. According to some estimates, a mystery shopper's average hourly wage is roughly $18. What you may expect to earn, on the other hand, is highly dependent on a number of things, including your level of expertise, whether you work full-time or part-time, and the organization you choose to work for. Scams involving mystery shoppers to avoid. There are numerous mystery shopping firms out there. Consider it a significant red flag if a corporation claims to be able to pay you thousands of dollars each month or offers to send you a check up front. To be a mystery shopper, you do not need to purchase a guide or pay a fee. It's almost always a scam if a company demands payment to join. Additionally, be suspicious if a company claims that working as a secret shopper can pay you $50 to $100 per hour or more. Because most tasks pay only a few dollars. Mystery shopping is a part-time gig rather than a full-time job. Best companies that provide mystery shopping. Bestmark. Bestmark is one of the most well-known and well-established mystery shopping companies. They've been in business since 1986 and have over 600,000 mystery shoppers on their payroll. Either field representative or evaluator will be your official title. Bestmark mystery shoppers earn an average of $13 per hour. Because they don't hire full-time shoppers, their employees are classified as independent contractors. Mystery shoppers, intercept interviewers, compliance auditors, and panelists are among the services provided by the firm in more than 13,000 cities across the United States and Canada. Within 5 to 10 days of signing up, a member of the Bestmark team should contact you. Bonuses are available for referring friends and family to Bestmark. Telos International. Telos International works with firms like Meta and Google to verify the legitimacy of its advertising. Mystery shoppers are paid as independent contractors to buy things from online stores, review the checkout procedure, and test the products they receive in order to assess ad fidelity. Telos assigns monthly or weekly assignments to its employees and reimburses them for their expenditures while also compensating them for their time. Telos mystery shoppers earn roughly $15 per hour on average. IntelliShop. IntelliShop is a research and enhancement company that focuses on customer experience. Customer experience, online reputation management, loss prevention, and compliance are among the firm's areas of expertise. IntelliShop is available in over 18,000 cities across the United States and Canada, as well as 180 countries across the world. IntelliShop pays users to write reviews for a small number of well-known brands. You'll receive mystery shopping chances via email or through their job board after you've applied and been allowed to be a shopper. You may not receive many assignments at first, but after completing a few, your ratings will rise, and you will begin to obtain more possibilities. MarketForce. MarketForce has clients in a wide range of industries including health and wellness, film studios, specialized retail, and alcohol and tobacco. The company operates out of offices in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, and offers gigs in tens of thousands of places. MarketForce sends mystery shoppers into stores to review products that are largely connected to food. They also hire people to review and rate establishments such as gas stations, gyms, hotels, banks, and restaurants. MarketForce has a large customer base and is largely regarded as one of the best entry-level mystery shopping firms. Service Evaluation Concepts. Aveda, Cartier, Macy's, Kroger, and Lego are among the brands that Service Evaluation Concepts delivers premier mystery shopping services to. There are 2 levels of certification for SEC mystery shoppers. Its brand agents are shoppers who have been evaluated and certified in the SEC's policies and procedures, and as a result, certified brand agents have a greater employment status and earning potential. Uncertified mystery shoppers, sometimes known as research volunteers, are allowed to participate in mystery shops, but they are unable to choose their own assignments. They only work if an SEC project liaison chooses them directly. The SEC pays anywhere from $10 to $50 or more per assignment. You'll also get free food or merchandise relevant to the profession. Secret Shopper. For more than a decade, Secret Shopper has been delivering services to major corporations. Their average salary ranges from $15 to $30 each task, although some merely provide reimbursement for the goods or meal you purchase. Although they aren't the highest paying mystery shopping firm, the experience alone may be worth your time. Signature Worldwide. When you work as a mystery shopper with Signature Worldwide, you may work from home and earn money. According to a current job posting on Signature's website, the work pays $10 per hour and is paid bi-weekly. Construction and equipment rental, hotels and resorts, casinos and spas, assisted living communities, party rental, government agencies, restaurants, and diet centers are among the industries where the company provides telephone mystery shopping services. Sinclair Customer Metrics. Since 1987, Sinclair has worked as a secret shopper. It caters to the banking, retail, supermarket, restaurant, and convenience store industries. Sinclair now offers video mystery shopping to clients, complete with a hidden camera, in addition to in-person engagements. You might be recruited to give intelligence via mystery shopping the client's location or one of its competitors. According to Indeed, one of Sinclair's mystery shoppers earns $10 per hour. To apply, you must complete an online form for new shoppers, conduct a survey, and study the conditions and expectations for your shopper role. You must complete the Sinclair New Shopper Challenge, a questionnaire that verifies that you have read and comprehend the terms. Elite CXS. Elite CXS, situated in Hudson, Florida, is a veteran-owned and award-winning mystery shopping firm. Porsche, T-Mobile, and Gold's Gym are among the company's significant partners. Elite CXS places evaluators in video, phone, and shopping jobs in a range of businesses. Field Agent. Field Agent is one of the most widely used mystery shopping apps, with over 1 million users in 7 countries. This is the app to use if you want to find mystery shopping jobs near you immediately from your phone. Field Agent is free to join. After you make an account, you must complete a brief demographic profile form to enable Field Agents learn more about you. You can begin working as a mystery shopper after completing the questionnaire. Local mystery shopping jobs are displayed in Field Agent's jobs page and on the in-app map of your city. Jobs list the money, chores required, store distance, and any other conditions you must follow. Field Agent is a handy tool to have on the go when you're already out shopping because most jobs take 2 hours to complete. Field Agent analyzes your submission when you finish an assignment to make sure you completed the requirements. Cash is deposited into your Field Agent account after verification. Field Agent pays you via direct deposit, and there is no minimum cash-out amount. You won't be able to replace your usual income with a mystery shopping job. If you enjoy the thrill of undercover shopping and providing feedback on your purchases, this is an excellent side gig to pursue. Your monthly profits may surprise you if you use some secret shopper tips and perform efficiently. Will you be working as a mystery shopper? Which business jumps out the most to you? So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.